So the toothbrush wasn't very effective. I need to scrape out some of this gooey stuff. So I'm using a plastic knife. Hopefully this won't scratch. Yeah, it seems to be coming out with the, but I really need to work really hard to scrape off this stuff. But this plastic knife seems to work. I think I can remove as much as I can with a plastic knife. There, scrape off. I'm guessing that if this stuff would build up a lot, it would also give me like one of those VT errors where the vertical tray, if it's not able to completely sit down flat, I'm guessing the Rotimatic would give me all kinds of errors with the VT. So that's the other reason to, apart from just having a clean machine or having it functional, that's also important.